CPSC.
Join the family at cpsc.gov.
That are talking about implicit bias, but they're not talking about the origins of those images. So it makes it kind of difficult to deconstruct if you don't know where they come from. We are talking about how this imagery in popular culture comes into, is consumed, and impacts those of African ancestry. But that's not just the whole story, is that there are images that represent stereotypes about women, about people of different religions, about sexual orientation,